Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting inside Contacts or Phone. Pick the contact whose poster you want to personalize. Tap Edit, then select Contact Poster or Edit under My Card so you can override defaults. Choose whether you want a photo, memoji, or a custom background. This choice sets the tone for how others see you. Once done, frame and crop immediately so the poster focuses on your face or emblem. Make sure to use high-contrast images for legibility when the poster appears in calls. Now refine design details so the poster reads quickly during calls. Crop and scale the image for consistent headroom and rotate if needed to keep the subject centered. Next, select a font, position, and color that contrasts with the background. This boosts legibility on different screen sizes. You can add memoji, initials, or a simple logo. Enable live photo motion only if it doesn't distract. Once you see a balanced layout, tap Done to lock these choices in place. Finish by tapping Done to save the poster, then immediately test. Call the contact or view My Card to confirm appearance across light and dark modes. If text or elements blend into the background, switch to a solid color or pick a higher contrast text color so names remain readable. If the poster doesn't show, make sure iOS is current and verify the contact isn't duplicated, blocked, or missynced with other accounts. If problems persist, toggle Contacts Access in Settings and retry the edit.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.